Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw SCP-049 or the Plague Doctor. Now if you guys have some other SCPs you'd like me to try and draw, definitely let me know, leave it in the comments. And if you guys are liking these different videos, make sure to subscribe and follow along so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with the Plague Doctor SCP, I'm going to start the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up on this side. We're going to leave a little bit of space, and we'll draw a line that's going to curve up on this side. Next, we're going to make a line that goes over and up, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go over and up. Next, I'm going to make these two lines come down a little bit. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes out and then in. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then in. I'll bring these lines in just a little bit more. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point, and then it's going to come back up here. Then starting here at this line, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to come over, and then back down. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side to kind of start the hood. And then we're just going to draw a line that comes in on each side. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that goes over. Then we're just going to kind of travel right around the line we made, and we're going to come back down to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out on each side for the shoulders. Then we're going to come down on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes in on each side. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're just going to make kind of like a wavy line to connect it. Next, I'm going to draw two lines coming down here and two lines over here. I'll draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come back up here for the foot. We'll do another one. It's going to go out, it's going to come around, and then back up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then over. And another one here that's going to come down and then over. Make a little line that's going to come down here. And then a little line that's going to come down here. We'll add a little line here on each side. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that comes in on each side. Then starting here, or actually we'll start right up here, we'll draw a line that's going to come across, and then another one right here. Then right here we'll draw a little line that goes down and over, and we'll do a little curved line for his pouch. We'll add a little dot on here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And then we'll make a little line that comes down here. It can be kind of wavy. I'm going to add a couple little buttons on here. And then I'm going to add a couple little extra line or two just for some details. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up on each side with a little line that comes down the middle. I'm going to make a little line on each side here. Then we'll draw a little line that comes down on each side. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a few little X marks onto the shoe. And we'll add a little curved line right across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of SCP-049 or the Plague Doctor. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.